What's up, guys? In this video, I wanted to talk about pornography. Pornography is such a damaging thing. Obviously, you know that already probably, and I just want to say you're not alone. It's all over, guys. Even if you're just looking at pictures on Instagram, or if you're just struggle with Facebook or just any social media, I just encourage you to realize that you're not alone and just talk about it. Get it out in the open. Talk about it with your friends, with your brothers in Christ, with your sisters in Christ. It's not just guys, it's girls too. And I just encourage you to just speak up about it, admit that you have the problem, and then try to work on it. Every time you're tempted, try to call somebody or try to text somebody. Also, you can go into purity groups, those help. But honestly, it's just about seeking the Lord. If you seek the Lord with all your heart, you're not gonna fall as much. I'm not gonna say you'll never fall, because the demonic, is powerful, but God is in control and He loves you, and those are two things, and He's with you, and those are three things to keep in mind when you're struggling with anything, any kind of fear. Maybe you're struggling with not pornography. Maybe it's fear, maybe it's depression, maybe it's whatever you're struggling with. Just know that in God's presence there is fullness of joy, and the only time we cannot feel fullness of joy is not in God's presence, which it's so hard to be in God's presence sometimes, because it's just, we don't want it. We want to be in our flesh. We want to just be like, whatever, I'll just pursue food, or pursue sex, or pursue pornography, or pursue TV, or video games, whatever it is. But I just encourage you, in God's presence there is fullness of joy. So pursue reading the Bible, read the Bible, pray, fellowship, and those are the three things we need. God bless.